Hi, this is Adam Van Orwick from Appalachian Physical Therapy. I'm here to talk to you about the top 2 exercises to prevent running injuries and to optimize running performance. Now, with that being said, just a quick disclaimer. There is no one-size-fits-all exercise. There is no magic bullet that's going to prevent you from getting injured. However, these 2 exercises are exercises that address a common problem I see with most runners. So that being said, if you're unable to perform either of these exercises without pain and you don't feel you're doing them properly, please don't continue performing these exercises. Thank you. Let's take a look at them. This exercise is the kneeling hip flexor stretch. So what you want to do is you want to get into a half kneel position, basically a lunge position with the leg you are trying to stretch directly under or slightly behind you. The reason I'm in a doorway is because when I perform a posterior pelvic tilt, I should feel my back flatten into the door. So once you're in this position, you're going to tuck your hips under you, flattening your back against the door. When you do that, you should feel a pull through the front of your hip and down into your quadricep muscle. You're going to hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. If you don't feel a good stretch, then you probably don't need a stretch on this side. After 60 seconds, you're going to switch legs and repeat. I also want to add, if you're on a hard surface, you might want to put something soft like the pad I have under my knee so I don't hurt my knee that's on the floor. This exercise is a modification of an exercise listed in Jay DeSherry's Running Rewired book. This is an exercise that Jay calls the hip jack. The purpose of this exercise is to turn on the gluteal muscles so they're properly being utilized for push-off while running. So for setup for this exercise, you're going to want to have a band just above the ankles and a band just above the knees. Once you're in that position, you want to get close to a surface that you can hold on to. This ensures that you can keep good control of your upper body while moving your legs. Once you're in this position, you're going to tuck your hips under you, performing a posterior pelvic tilt. From there, you're going to pick one leg up and extend it backwards and to the side. When you do that, you should feel your hip and glute muscles working, actually on both legs, but especially the one that you're bringing back. You're going to hold this position for 30 seconds or so. When you are done with that 30 seconds, you're going to switch and do the same with the opposite leg. If this is enough of a challenge to begin with, that's fine. If you'd like to add in the jumping jacks, go ahead and add in 10 to 15 jumping jacks between sets. I recommend you do this exercise 3 times each leg.